Last semester, my professor gave us a list of 150 possible exam questions, so I tried something with Claude AI, and honestly, I didn't expect it to work this well. Here's the problem every college student knows. Professors give you a huge question bank before exams and tell you prepare from these. But preparing detailed answers for 150 questions with limited time before the exam, that's not realistic for anyone. So instead of trying to study all of them, I decided to ask Claude to do something different, not explain a topic to me, but actually look at the pattern of past exam papers and tell me which questions were most likely to actually come. Here's exactly what I did. First, I collected previous question papers, actual past papers given by my professors, not random PDFs from the internet. This matters because Claude needs real patterns to work with, not guesses. I uploaded those papers directly into Claude. Then I gave it this prompt: here are my past question papers. Based on patterns across these, identify the most important questions likely to repeat, organized by mark value 2, 3, 5, and 10 marks. Provide model answers for each. I specifically asked it to separate by mark value, because a 2-mark question and a 1-0-mark question need completely different answer lengths and depths, and Claude handled that automatically. What I got back was basically a study notebook. Questions organized by marks, each with a full prepared answer. I exported the whole thing into a PDF, and that became my actual revision material. Now here's the part that actually shocked me. When I sat for the exam, a lot of these questions were literally there. Claude was reading those patterns. This method will work differently for you. If you want to try this yourself, here's the exact prompt again. One tip: the more past papers you give it, 3, 4, 5 years worth, if you have them, the better the pattern detection. One single paper isn't enough data for it to work with. If this helped, subscribe. I'm covering one AI tool every week for college students. See you then.